All right, I'm gonna show you how to reflex a rose or invert the petals. This is one that I've already done, so it looks much bigger than the standard rose that it is. These are blueberry roses, and it's really easy. One thing to keep in mind is you really wanna wait until the rose has opened, and it works better on older roses in general. So right when you get them and open them up, it will not be the time to reflex, and the petals will snap on you. So all you do, I typically leave on the guard petals, and I just take my thumb and I pop the petals out. Sometimes I will take off the lower ones if they keep pushing them. And I just spin the stem around and I find the next one. Make sure you have clean hands. You don't want a lot of oil on the petals because it can brown them, especially when you're working with white roses. And I love to just do like 2 to 3 in a centerpiece, or maybe just one. So you don't need to like worry about reflexing all of your roses. It's just kind of a little, it's like your piece of flair in your centerpiece. Okay, and that one kind of cracked, so I know I'm at like the end of the roses that want to be, or the petals that want to be reflexed. And then I'll just kind of take my finger and open up the petal, or the bud a little bit more so it transitions into the inverted petals.